video is a lender spotlight, and my guest today is Casey Hatfield with Caliber Home Loans, and she is here today to discuss the process of getting a home loan, what types of products she has to offer, how they impact you financially, and what special products she has to offer that sets her apart from her competitors, and why you'd want to choose her. So, Casey, tell me about what products you have to offer.
Okay, absolutely, and thank you for having me today. So I first wanted to talk to you about getting a loan. So to get a loan with Caliber Home Loans, it's a great idea to fill out an application online. And by doing that, you're able to check your credit, you're also able to verify your employment, and you're also able to log into your asset statement. So wherever you bank at, you can log right in. Gives us permission to have all that information.
But that makes it easy.
It does.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier, less paperwork because I have all that. So by the time I get the application, I have all that information at my fingertips, which is nice because then I'm ready to go. And when I am giving that pre-approval letter, I truly have seen all of their assets, income, credit, and everything.
And how long does it take to do the online application?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Okay, and then once you do that online application, then you'll get an email with what kind of documents that in addition that you'll need to submit?
Absolutely,
Okay.
yep, and then I can give you the pre-approval right away.
Oh, great. So it's always handy, you know, if we're going to look at a house and you don't have your pre-approval and you're like, this is the one, you have to do it. It's great that we could get that ASAP.
Yes, and the next step from that too is I like to send it into underwriting, so then we truly have underwriting approval. So once you make that offer, then we can close within at least 20 days, which makes it nice. Plus your offer looks far better to the listing agent because you've already gone through underwriting approval.
Right, so that underwriting approval, you mean you're already through financially, the underwriters have signed off on you, all you need is the house and the appraisal and you're good to go.
Absolutely.
So you could close in like a couple of weeks.
Exactly,
right?
absolutely.
So in a multiple offer situation, that offer is far stronger than having to wait.
Exactly, and the other thing too is with us, we don't have to have final approval to issue the closing disclosure. So that can speed up that process because with the new CFPB rules, you have to wait 3 days after receiving that closing disclosure. So once we have the appraisal, we can issue that, which is nice.
That is good to know. That's something I wasn't aware of. That's
Yeah.
great. Okay.
Absolutely. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is the products we have available.
Yes.
We do have 3 loans that allow us to have 100% financing. First one is USDA loans. And with a USDA loan, that's typically Marysville North or rural properties. So with this, you do have a guarantee fee to do the loan with USDA and mortgage insurance. The next one would be a VA loan. This is for veterans or anyone with active duty. And again, that one doesn't have mortgage insurance at all, nor does there have a guarantee fee, but you do have a funding fee in the event that you don't receive disability income from the VA. The other loan available is the Washington State Housing Loan, and what that is it's a down payment assistance program. And what you can do is you can get that as a conventional loan or FHA. So with the conventional loan, it's 3% down, but the down payment assistance you can get for that down payment.
Okay.
That down payment assistance has no interest rate and no payments. So you just have to pay it off once you go to sell the home. With an FHA loan, it's 3.5% down, and then you get the down payment assistance for the down payment.
Right.
And then you could ask the seller to pay for the closing costs and the escrow account on both those programs. So those are the 3 programs that allow you to no money down.
Okay.
The other one would be a conventional 20% down, or you can do it a conventional 3% down. We have just a regular FHA at 3.5% down. We have a HUD 184 loan, and what that is that it allows you to lend on tribal land. So there's a lot of companies that don't offer that program.
Okay, so that's a special one that kind of sets you apart.
It does, yep. We do have portfolio loans where we use our own money. So if you file bankruptcy, one day out of bankruptcy, we can do it. If your business for self, we can have bank statement loans, meaning if you cannot qualify with tax returns, we can use the bank statements to qualify for the loan. So there's a lot of opportunity that we are able to do being a mortgage company based that allows us to offer a lot of different programs for all of our clients. And also another thing that sets us apart is that it allows us to do credit rescoring. So if you come to me and your credit score is not where we need, I can run a simulator and it'll allow me to say maybe pay off this credit card, that credit card, and then that's how we can get your credit score built up and allow you to get the program that you need.
Excellent.
So that's awesome.
You have a lot of great programs for our clients. That's fantastic.
Absolutely. And the reason why you would choose me or go with me as Caliber is communication is key. You know, it's so important. I know when I want a question for my own personal finances, I want it now. So whether it's text, email, or calling, I return all of that right away because I know how important that is.
Right, and that means like evenings, weekends, early mornings, not the 9 to 5 type of thing that some of the big box lenders will do, right?
Absolutely, yes. I'm always working 24/7.
Yeah.
So
good. That's how I operate too. So, well, thank you for coming in today and sharing about your products and yourself. And we'll see you next time.
okay,
Bye.
thanks for having me.